मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। यूं ही पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से ही उड़ान होती है। जी हाँ। All my dear friends, good evening to all. My name is Sanjay, and today I'm going to share some of my views regarding personalities who become a billionaire from a zero. We may be listened that so many persons who have earned so much properties, name, dignity, and everything, but we have very less examples about the persons who born as a zero, now he is a billionaire. Not like a big rich persons like Ambani, Adani, Tata, Birla, and so many. They become billionaires, very rich persons in India and in world also, but they have some family backing always. And because of that backing, they easily become a rich person, easily become a very famous person. I'm not doubting about their capacity. I'm not doubting about their efforts. Sure, they are very brilliant. They have put so much efforts to make their property many folds from. So we can say that they prepare or they make their property or their earning from 2 rupees to 10 rupees. But what about that persons who has 0 rupees and now he become a 10 rupees? He is a great. So Jiha, today I am going to talk such personality whose name maybe you not knows. He is very famous person in China. He is very big industrialist, not industrialist, he is the economist, businessman. His name is Jack Ma. Born in the year of 1964. When he was born in a very poor family, he not able to meet his both hand at that time. Anyhow, he take admission in a school. You will not believe that at the standard, in 4th standard, he failed 2 times, and when he reached at 8th standard, again he failed 3 times. So from this we can get idea that he is not so brilliant in books, but he has a very great passion. हौसला बहुत बुलंद था, उसी के बलबूते पर वो he become a billionaire. He has a very great passion. At the age of 7, he thought that why not we speak English? Because at that time in China, nobody speak English, nobody write English, nobody knows anything about the English. So he has too much curiosity about the English language. So he tried to talk English but not able. So he put some efforts because he has very great passion. He start working in hotels. He start working in tourist companies as a guide, and slowly he grabbed that excellency, that knowledge about the English. Not too much fluently, but he knows English at that age. In this way, he completed his school education, and now it's time to take admission in a university, in a good university. Again, the same situation, because he is not so brilliant in a book. He failed 4 times for entrance exam of a university. So he not got a good university. He not got admission in a good university. Anyhow, he managed to take a very average university, that is Teachers University, and he become a teacher. While teaching to the students, he makes some friends, maybe some abroad and in China also. Meanwhile, he also tried for his higher education in a Harvard University, but you will not believe that again. He tried about 10 times and every time he get failed. He become nervous. But his passion is very great. He want to do something. He has such a spark in his mind. And that spark never able him to keep quiet. जैसे अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने एक बार बताया था, मैंने सुना है इन यूट्यूब वीडियो, सपनों उसी को सपना कहेंगे, ड्रीम उसी को कहेंगे which not allows you to sleep good way or properly. उसी को हम लोग ड्रीम बोलेंगे. अदरवाइज the dream which gives you a good sleep is not good for you, not good for your career. So he has such a dream that which not able to him to sleep properly. One day his friends came to him and says that, you know, Jack, there is a internet is such a subject. We can get any information from the internet. Meanwhile, before that, he also tried a job in a KFC. KFC just started a business in a China at that time, maybe 1970s or 1975, like this. 24 candidates applied for that job in a KFC. Among the 24, Jack Ma also one of them. But so strange thing that 23 out of 24 candidates, 23 are selected, and only one person was not selected, and that was Jack Ma. So he become little bit nervous, but he thought that maybe I have to do something else. So one day his friends came to him and tell him that internet such a package, such a subject, or internet such a app from where we get any information. So with curiosity, he tried to search one good name, one very famous name. He thought that why not we search a very famous name. So he typed beer, B-E-A-R, and tried to grab some information about the beer from the internet. Very crazy thing at that time that he got the information of China, he got information of American beer, he got information about Australian beer, German beer, but he did not get any information about the China beer. So he gets surprised. We have such a big country, so many beers we have, very famous beers we have, but till we did not get any information on the internet. How it is possible? So he became crazy. Then again he tried something different word. He typed China, China, China on the internet and tried to get some information about the China. Again the same situation. He did not get anything about the China country. He got every country's information there except China. And at that stage, at that time, the spark came in his mind that we have to do something for our country through this way, through this internet way. So he, with his friend, with the help of his friend, make one website. At the age of maybe 33, 34 years old. And at the age of 33, he first time handled the computer in his life. So he prepared one website. He given that website name as Ugly, UGLY. And within 4 hours, his friend tell him that, so see Jack, we got 4 mails from China industrialist. When he opened that mail, the Chinese industrialist become very happy. They want to know about the Jack Ma. Who is this person who prepared this website? Surely it will help us. So they are requesting through that mail to Jack Ma that please help us for our industry with this app, with this internet facility, because we need this thing too much in our China. Then Jack Ma got his way. He thought that now we have to make our life in this subject. Then slowly he made many websites. Then with the help of his friend he installed one company. He started one company, Chinese International Commerce Company, like this. In the year of 1998. He worked only for 1 year for that company, but due to some conflict, he come out from that group and he started his own company called Alibaba.com. And my friends, magic happened. For initial 2-3 years, he has to put too much efforts. He has to work very hard, and after that, he got so many investors from China and abroad. And that company become broad and broad, more and more. He formed slowly some sister companies like Taobao, Alimama, and so many computer companies which work for banking sector, which work for poor peoples, which work for industries, which work for government. And in this way, online shopping, and in this way he become so famous and famous. His business become broad and broad and broad. And now, in the year of 2019, last year, his company's annual income or turnover is about 55 billion US dollar. And alone Jack Ma, who is the founder of this company, his annual income is about 43 billion US dollar. See, my friends, we have a very big industrialist named Mukesh Ambani. He is also richest person in a world also. His annual worth is about 54 billion US dollar, and Jack Ma is at 43 billion US dollar. So he very very close to Mukesh Ambani. But difference is such that he become from zero to billionaire, and Mukesh Ambani maybe he has some family backing. Dear friends, why I am telling this story to you all? Because many of us, me also, if we show the example of Mukesh Ambani, Tata, Birla, then immediately we say that they already have their business, they already have their family backing, they already have so much investment in their company, too much money they have. And so that's why they become rich. Very correct. But we also have so many people who are born as a zero, become a billionaires, become a very rich persons with dignity, property, prosperity and everything. Let us follow these personalities and do something in our life. एक कीड़े मकोड़े की जिंदगी का कुछ फायदा नहीं है मेरे दोस्त. सपना देखो. Not only see the dream but follow that dream in a good manner, good way, good goal, good planning and everything. Then you will find that reality itself will come to you as a success. That's why Jack Ma always says that don't give up. Maybe today is hard for you. Maybe today is hard for you. Tomorrow will be worse for you. But I'm sure day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Day after tomorrow will be yours. You will be fly in the air. You will be fly with very rich personalities, very famous personalities. If you put your efforts in a good way, good direction. That is the message I want to give from this biography of Jack Ma. Jack Ma is not a very big person when he was born. He is like you and me, not so brilliant in books, but he has good passion and he has very good vision and ability to work hard. On the basis of these things, these habits, these properties, he become a billionaire now. In China, he is the richest person and also one of the richest person in the world. Hope you will like this story. Hope you will take some message from this story and will work hard and make yourself prosperous. Thank you very much. Bye.